نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to the Sakina-tul Quran learning platform. My name is Sadia and you are watching Norani Qaida lesson. My dear students, as you know very well, today we will start our next chapter of Norani Qaida, chapter number 2, which is called compound or joining letters, means hurufe murakkabat. In this lesson, we will learn what is murakkabat or joining letters. Okay, let's start it. In this lesson, our first question is, what is murakkabat or joining letters? Let's see define. Murakkabat or joining letters is the attachment or combination of two or more than two letters. Remember, while a letter joined another letter, it may change the different shape. So, one letter may have different shapes. My dear students, many letters of the Arabic alphabet have a similar shapes, but are different from one another by the position of dots. Okay? So, our next question we have, how to read them. In this lesson, we need to join letters separately, one by one. Each letter has its own sound. The shape of the letter needs to recognize in different places. The letter may be written short-handed and customized for joining and other letters. So shape also change in this way accordingly. Each alphabet having dot, so we can recognize by their dot and proper placement, so that the dot of the letter must help in recognize the letter. Just we should do practice with the different alphabet and joinings. Okay? So my dear students, in this lesson we will study from Alif to Ba, Lam, Ba. Inshallah. Let's start it. Firstly, I read and you try after me. Okay? So in this lesson, first letter we have Alif. Alif. As you know very well, it's Alif because we have learned in plate number 1. And Alif is a very simple letter, like straight line. Okay? So now I read once again and you try after me. Alif. Alif. After Alif, the next letter we have Lam, Alif. Lam, Alif. Remember, it's Lam, Alif. Here you can see this word consists two single or mufradat letters. The first one is Lam and the second one is Alif. You can say the brown one is lam and blue one is alif. My dear students, when we joined the half shape of lam and the individual shape of alif, it's look like this. Okay? So it's lam alif, lam alif. My dear students, don't be confused with shape. My dear students, lam has many shapes in Quran. So don't be confused with shapes. Just pronounce the same as the previous lam, which we have learned in plate number 1. And different color will help us. So don't be confused. Now I read once again and you try after me. Lam alif. After lam alif, the next letter we have lam alif. It's also lam alif. Okay? So remember, it's lam alif. Okay? This word is also consist two single Arabic alphabet. So the first one is lam and the second one is alif. We can recognize by their color. The blue one is lam and the black one is alif. Okay? So when we join lam with alif, it's look like this. Okay? Read these letters combined without being stopped. Like lam alif, lam alif, lam alif. Okay? After lam alif, the next letter we have ba alif, ba alif. So it's ba alif. Okay? Remember, it's ba alif. Okay? This word is also considered two single or mufradat letters. The first one is ba. You can see here half shape of ba. Okay? And the second one is alif. We can say the blue one is ba and black one is alif. When we join half shape of ba with alif, it look like this. Okay? So don't be confused. You can recognize it easily because you know very well ba has one dot below it. So it's ba, ba, and the black one is alif. We can say the blue one is ba and the black one is alif. When we join ba with alif, it's look like this. Okay? So read these letters. Ba alif, ba alif. Okay? After ba alif, the next letter we have lam alif. It's also lam alif. My dear students, as I had told you, lam has many shapes in Quran. Okay, so don't be confused. It's lam alif. We can say this word is also consists two single or mufradat letters. The brown one is lam and the blue one is alif. When we join lam with alif, it's look like this, and we read these letters lam alif. Okay, now I read once again and you try after me. Lam alif. After lam alif, the next letter we have lam. Lam. So it's lam. Remember, it's lam. You can recognize it easily because it is the individual shape of lam, which we have learned in plate number 1. And we will pronounce the same as the previous lam. Lam. Okay? Now I did once again and you try after me. Lam. After lam, the next letter we have lam alif. Remember, it's lam alif. This word is also consists 2 single or mufradat letters. Okay? The brown one is lam and the blue one is alif. Read these letters combined without being stopped, like lam alif. Now I read once again and you try after me. Lam alif. Okay? After lam alif, the next letter we have lam ha. This word also consists 2 single or mufradat letters, in which the brown one is lam and the black one is ha. You can recognize it easily because it is the individual shape of ha. My dear students, when we join lam with ha, it's look like this. Read it as lam ha. Now I read once again and you try after me. Lam ha. Okay? After lam ha, the next letter we have lam alif. It's also lam alif. This word consists 2 single or mufradat letters. When we join lam with alif, it's look like this. Okay? Read these letters like lam alif. Now I read once again and you try after me. Lam alif. After lam alif, the next letter we have ba lam ba. Ba lam ba. Remember, it's ba lam ba. Okay? My dear students, this word consists 3 single or mufradat letters. Okay? We can say the blue one is the half shape of ba and the black one it's also half shape of ba. And last one is ba. You can recognize it easily because it is the individual shape of ba. Ba. My dear students, when we join half shape of ba with lam and lam joined with ba. It's look like this. Okay? We will read these letters combined without being stopped. Like ba lam ba, ba lam ba. Now I read once again and you try after me. Ba lam ba. Okay? Now I read once again from beginning. Alif, lam, alif, lam, alif, ba, alif, lam, alif, lam, lam, alif, lam, ha, lam, alif, ba, lam, ba. So my dear student, I hope you understand today's lesson. So you practice it again and again. Inshallah, we will see you soon with next lesson. Take care. Fi amanillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.